Hello everyone, welcome back to Australian Outdoor Man. We're just doing a quick video and a test upload for quality purposes of the new drone that I just brought. So I've just purchased the new Mavic Air 2 DJI drone. I upgraded to the Fly More combo, which gives you 3 batteries, a few filters for the lens, 6 spare propellers, 3 bay charger, and a nice little carry bag which all folds up nice and neat to take away camping. So I've taken a couple of pictures here, they're in 48 megapixels, so I thought I'd give them a test. I've just tried out the Follow Me tracking app as well on the controller. So it's as simple as you touch the person or the vehicle you want to follow and send your drone up to whatever height, you walk off and it follows you as well, which is great. So the range as well with these drones, you can go 10 kilometers, which is bloody massive. Obviously you want to try and keep it on a sight, try and keep it in view. If you do lose your drone, there's just one button you push on the controller, you hit that, and that returns it straight to home to exactly where you are lifted off from, which is excellent. But there's so much you can do with these drones now, it's incredible. Battery time, I get about 30 minutes. They do stay 32-minute flight time, which is good. It films in 4K, 60 FPS as well, so it should be pretty good quality. That's what I thought I'd do, a quick test with the drone and annoy these goats as well, round them up. Might make my job a bit easier with the sheep and the goats to round them up as well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any comments, chuck it in below and I'll get back to you straight away. And make sure everyone takes care and look after themselves. Right guys, thanks for watching.